Hello, hi. My name is Arishwar Reddy. I am from Group 29. My group members are Uttej Gunti, Rakesh Nallamala, and Akhil Reddy. Myself and Uttej are from software engineering. Akhil and Rakesh are from ERP. Our project is about Belfield Service Center. Belfield Service Center is a car makeover company which is situated in Belfield in NSW. Belfield Service Center is a service center which provides some of the services like uh, repair in the engines and replacements of small parts in the cars and transmission of body parts and replacement of small parts in a car. This Belfield Service Center is facing some of these operational issues. They are uh, client management, as they are a limited clients can be managed in offline mode, but nowadays the clients has been increasing, so there has been problem in maintaining the client management and handling of the calls from the customers who calls to the service center to know the status of their uh, status of their car, and for aware aware of client sentiments and interest to improve our business tactics, and through which we can attract more number of customers through our services. The company growth has also been increasing day by day. So to meet all these needs, the Belfield Service Center is trying to come up with some of the new technologies or some of the new plans. One among them is to maintain a fully cloud-based customer service management, which can handle some of the issues like some of the issues like the client can know the status of their cars and the phone calls and the new servicing requests that are to be made in the servicing center. They can also book an appointment through online, and by not coming into the location, they can directly uh, book a service through the in, in the service. They also wanted to expand their business, so they wanted to come up with a new plan such as digital marketing management solutions, which would be easy for them to introduce any of the new products and new services, and they can also attract more number of customers through this digital marketing. And for maintaining and to maintain and manage a customer's campaign data, through this they can maintain the customer details, so that they need not to take the customer details every time. If once the customer has come to the service station, his details will be saved, and next time they can directly go on to the direct servicing, or what are the things he need, by not again filling all those or registering all those details, and uh, create surveys through online, through which they can know that what are the things they need to improve in their business, and what are the things that are that are most of the customers are are interested and liking in their service center. And coming to the methodologies used, we used agile methodology. Agile methodology is a process in which you can do the whole process in the form of iterations, so that we can improve through each iterations. We have done three sprints: sprint 1, sprint 2, and sprint 3. In the sprint 1, we in the first sprint, we have done some of the process, like we created one client client server one. We have created three logins, that is one for the client, one for the admin, and the other for the manager. The client can log in first the client need to register, and then he can, after the registration, he can log in and he can see what are the services that are available in the Belfield service center, and what he need to book, or what are the servicing that he is looking for. You can book that, and after booking, the client makes the booking request, and the admin should approve the request that is made by the client, to be to the activation of the booking done. So the client need so the admin, whenever the admin is what do you call, whenever the admin okays, or he okays the request of the client, then the manager can see what are the bookings that are done, and the manager maintains the whole whole data. A manager manages the the oh, manager manages the services that are to that are to be done or doing in the process. Once the servicing or the service request which the customer is made is done, then the manager can close the booking, so that the client can know that the status of his car or his service in the service station. Through this, it's easy for the client to know about his service, what do you call it, his service status, and the manager is able to close and open the rebooking. The manager can also open the client once after, whenever he visited again the next time, he can directly go to the particular customer, and he can directly open his, so that the customer can no the manager again need not to maintain all the details of the customers. He's directly, it is in the, what do you call, it is stored in the what do you call, management. The other things that the admin can do is that he can create a campaign, and he can get the campaign report, through which he can know what are the services that are need to be improved. In this, we have included in the admin, we are also included the campaigns, and what are the campaigns that can be done, and what are the reports of the campaign. We get the report of the campaigns in the admin, so the admin can see what are the things that are need to be implemented, and what are is good in the service station, and how are the customers liking about the service station. mm, these things are mainly used to know about the outside view of the customers of the service station, uh, service center. The customers, they also able to know what are the customers are thinking, and what are their likes and dislikes about the service station. In this admin, this is the benefit of of this campaign, and through this campaign it's easy for them to what you call launch or introduce new products. uh, in this they also create surveys through which they can know some of the benefits and good things about the service station. In the sprints, we have done about use case analysis and business logic developments by our team members, and decide which tasks to be focused on first and what which tasks to be completed at last as per the priorities tables. Possible issues are identified and backups plan is created for that in the during the time of the sprints. I was a part of in the sprint as a backend developer, and through this I learned backend development in real world scenario, logics building through developing logics for various use cases, learning from the mistakes that I have done in the sprints. While I have done 3 sprints, so I have tried to improve myself in the by the end of the final sprint. I what you call avoided mostly avoided to repeat the some of the mistakes that I have done in sprint 1 and sprint 2, so that the uh, so that the product would be more efficient than in sprint 1 and sprint 2. And lastly, our teamwork made this project all possible with our coordination with each other and supportiveness to each other through the process of this whole project. I thank my group members and our lecturers who are all helped me in completion of my project, and thanks to my group members who supported me a lot, and we supported each other a lot so that the best comes out of through everyone. Thank you.